Oh, I need to do that.
Trick or treat, sure do love them. Oh, Minnie, I can't wait to see the look on their faces when they see who we better hurry up and find something else to give out. There's just no feeling of many trick or treats. That's it. Since we don't have any treats to hand out, let's show the kids the fun tricks. Love it. Trick or treat. What do you call this to eat in the desert? A sandwich. Get it? But what about Minnie's famous sticky tricky treats? It's a sticky situation. Trick or treat. Ta-da! Oh. Here's a special trick just for you, baby Morty. Oh, nice. Easy on the wind. We better stick to giving out socks. So much for a happy Halloween. Oh, we let everyone down. Trick or treat. Mickey. Halloween, man. Oh, for me. A special treat for my special gal. I hope it's more apples. Oh, Mickey, how fun. Oh, why not, won't you?
Halloween is a special day for trick or treat is what you say. Happy Halloween to you.
Oh, Mickey, I wish I had something as wonderful for a trick-or-treater.
Aw, Minnie, your friendship is the best treat of all.
Mickey, I think that's it. Friendship is the greatest treat. Halloween's the time of year when riches come out. Those should be everywhere you find all kinds of sweet yum yum. And everybody shout the trick or treat, trick or treat. Friends are the favorite part of Halloween. So let me trick or treat and I'll should go. Friends are the favorite part of Halloween. My favorite part of Halloween is being friends with you. Oh, happy Halloween to you. Welcome to my beautiful mention every open. It's not a fashion or what you see outside and it's not a fashion or what you see. You're always welcome. That really cozy. Hi-ho, cheerio, Buckingham Palace. Oh, Minnie, the Queen is going to love her fancy go-high. Well, the garden party starts soon. Let's not keep Her Majesty waiting. Hello, dear. We're invited to the Queen's garden party, and I made a special hat for the, hello? I'll get there, Jesse. Hello. Hi. Oh, tough crowd. It says here that the palace guards are trained to never speak. Then how will we get the hat to the Queen? We'll cook something up. Yeah. Do you think this will work? It'll be a piece of cake. Shh, we're getting close. Yes, we got in.
Test.
The guards are about to switch places, so get ready to punch.
Yep. Gotta get this PayPal done here. I got about 40,000 transactions of PayPal. 40,000. Gotta love it. I gotta go in here and manually do everything, which even sucks more.
Let's just get some fish and chips or something before this wind blows us away. Wait, that's it. Huh? You're teasing. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, Danica, I got a question for you. What if we do this? What if, well, shoot, it's still the same problem. Trying to think, what's the best way to do this? Because it's going to be too much. We need to get this done as fast as possible. And the problem is too is you're only allowed for like a couple hours a day. I'm thinking like if we did everything just as PayPal, the PayPal client, then that would allow us to get done faster. And then what we can do is figure out which transactions are, well, we could do a journal entry. I mean, we could do that to the monetized account on the balance sheet from the sales account. That'll be a lot faster. And then moving forward, anything that's new, we can do the vendor names or the client name, excuse me. I think that, yeah, I think that'll be I mean, it's not as clean, but we can always, if we need to, we can do like every, a little bit every day, go in there and just do like a couple months or not, well, not a couple months, probably a couple weeks. And then just, you have to manually do it. Unfortunately, there's not a bulk conversion for a client name. That's the only problem with it. Because I mean, it's just too many transactions. It really is. So yeah, let's do that. Let's just do like, let's see here, close that. Yeah, for now. And then we can go back if needed. I think if the PayPal customer, yeah, I think it's just called, well, no, I think it's just PayPal. I'm sorry. Yeah, just PayPal. It will do that, and that'll be a lot faster. And then I'll do, let's see, I'm doing August, right? I think. Let's see here. I think it'll be a lot faster. This is just going to be too much, and hopefully we get lucky, and it's not that much stuff here. I'm going to do money out, and the sales account is PayPal sales, I believe. Not money out, money in. Yeah, but there's two of them. There's one that's an income. It says income on the right. Okay. Yeah, not okay. Good, perfect. All right, so we'll just do that because that'll be a lot faster. I'll just tell the client. I don't think she'll care because it's just too many transactions here. Yep. Okay. PayPal customer. And then we'll do PayPal sales income, and then we'll do apply. Yeah, that'll be a lot faster. That'll cut our time probably by 75% probably. I've had to do that in the past too. I want another client. Athena, no, you're not going outside right now. You've been sitting down for an hour and 20 minutes. Relax. All you want to do is run around the house all day. I'm going to see if, give me a second here, I'm back. Calm down. Hey, Emma. Did I let the dog run around? Just make sure she doesn't chew anything. I'm a fucking crazy person. All right. Go play. Leave me alone. Get out of here. Go. Move your head on pee on you. Whatever, Mama. Away. Hey. You need to settle down. Let me run around this house. Go lay down. So go lay down. Goodness gracious. See, that's why I don't want you out here. What are you doing? Don't jump up here. No. Go. Come on now. I'm serious. Dogs. My damn nerves. Why is it not doing? You got to refresh it every time because QuickBooks is just becoming retarded. Let's see, money in. Yeah, this will help a lot, guys. I hate to do this, but normally I wouldn't do this. But whatever. All dates. All right, you gotta be careful too because there's something called deposits on there. And I think those are going to be transfers. I don't know if you see those. I see them in August. So just be very careful that you're doing the client payment and not the wrong payment here. Actually, let me do the other way here. So yeah, it's description. Go play. I'm just scrolling through the event or the clients so you can see, make sure there's nothing out of the ordinary. All righty, I don't got no views, man. Nobody viewed my stuff yet, man. Go play. Leave me alone. Can you lay down, please? I don't know why. Your ass cannot lay down. No, I cannot play. No, I'm not playing with you. Athena, I'm going to put you back in that crate if you don't stop. Lay down or go out there. I know you won't play. I cannot play with you. Worst financial decision I ever made with buying this dog. Oh my God. always been hell on me. I don't like refreshing every time. I gotta leave in a little bit. I gotta go do my Social Security number change. Hope they don't mess up my computer, because I did a video all day before and it messed up my computer. The other day, she jumps on the couch with my kids on the couch and just smacks them hits them in the head with her tail, like just oblivious. My dog's retarded, like completely retarded. Something's wrong with this dog. Doesn't make any sense why she's like that. Oh man, going faster for you? Yeah, it seems to be. We've already knocked almost 1,000 transactions out of there. So it must be. Let's see here. Yeah, this will be a lot faster. One problem is I'm not getting, well, I think a lot of the PayPal withdrawals and transfers are going through monetized. So it's something we'll have to figure out too. Oh, no, that's wrong. Go sit down. What are you doing, retard? My dog is like a child. She will not sit down longer than 2 seconds. She just has to move everywhere. Oh my God, I'm dreading this crap. No, leave it. Also got the payroll this week as well, I think. Maybe maybe next week. It may be next. If you just did it, it's next week. It's every 2 weeks. Okay, that's good. That'll give me some time to work on this. Athena, don't tear up the house now. Stop. No, don't jump up there. Go play. May have to do those, the deposits and the transfers. We may have to put them in like just an account by themselves, just to get them out of the way. Maybe just uncategorize them, just to get them out of the way, because this is going to be such a pain to do, because we're going to have to go back and forth with the companies, and it's just stop running around the house. Can you? God, she takes anxiety medicine, and it doesn't work. She just cannot lay down. Can you lay down? My goodness. Go play. Go play. No, don't jump up here. No, I cannot play with you. I have to work. Go. Go play. Goodness gracious. Stop. Don't go. Go play. Not everything is for you to chew on. Leave it. This is why I keep your ass locked up all day, because you will not. Don't jump up here. No, go. Sorry, stupid dog. Would you just not sit down? Oh, there's a deposit. It's got to be careful with those. Yeah, I'm thinking those are going to be transfers. That's usually what they are. I'm trying to kind of work around them if I can. I don't. Okay. What are you doing? Can you go somewhere? I don't have a fence in my backyard. I really need to get a fence. Leave her ass outside of it. Did you break your toy? You want to squeak it no more? I think you did. Oh my Lord, it's so slow. I have a very fast computer. It's so slow. Right. Get it. Wow, not 2,000 transactions on. Alrighty. Everything but the. Can't believe how many transactions are going through this. This is wild to me. I've never seen this many transactions in one account. So crazy. PayPal. PayPal sales. Why did you eat it? You don't eat the toy. Who's actually eating the toy? How was that good? Athena, stop. You can't, don't eat the toy. You can chew on it, but you don't eat it. Okay? Be good. Lay down. 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 I cannot play with you. Down. Down. I know you won't hold my hand. I know it. Okay. Good girl. Go play. No. She needs to be. Let's do this with all these deposits, because these deposits are going to be a pain, and I'm not getting any hits on them. I guess let's see. I don't know what the best course of action is for this. I guess we can run back and forth through monetized. Athena, sit down. I need to put this dog away because this dog's about irritating. Come here. Don't run away. Don't run away. Come here, go be big. Yes. She will not lay down for 2 seconds. Give me the toy. Crate. Goodness gracious. I know it's wet out there, huh? Got me wet. Oh. Alrighty. Oh, goodness. Glasses. What time is it? Okay, I got like a okay. Let's do this. Let's, instead of trying to focus on these too much, because I don't want to keep going back and forth, I'm gonna take these deposits and we'll make an account called PayPal transfers. And I'm gonna add those. Of course, this thing doesn't want to work. And so, yeah, just put all the withdrawals and the deposits into that PayPal transfer account that I'm going to start here in a second. Don't do them as transfers, just do them as expenses or deposits. Transfers, because it's Do expense account, and we're going to do, it doesn't really matter, miscellaneous, so it doesn't matter, do office, because we can convert it to something else. All right, we're about to make a big mess here, but it's fine. Transfers, apply to that, and we just do PayPal as the thing there. All right, there we go. Boom. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. All right, 42. I'm done with August. Yay! Let me work on October. Oh, this is gonna be a lot faster. I can't believe this year has gone by so fast. Transaction 1,200 transactions. Ready? Oh, what is that? It's attached to a transfer. Don't want to attach it to a transfer. Yeah, do make sure you scroll down because some of them are attaching themselves to transfers. Sales. What do you think about all this craziness so far? It keeps you on your toes, that's for sure. It makes a better bookkeeper or accountant, that's really for sure. That's the good thing about it. Athena, you're not going out because I cannot deal with you all the time running around the house. So lay down. Got other. I don't know what those would be. Huh. That's a weird one. Other. I guess it's going to transfer account. Transfers. This is so crazy. Withdrawals, okay. Those are actually attaching themselves to transactions. David, okay, that may be 4 days to transfer. That's fine. I'm gonna disconnect them and just roll with them to PayPal, and then we'll fix them. This is gonna be fun, man. Transfers. We have to hurry up and get this done because I don't want her to quit on me. It takes too long, people start quitting. How's it going on your end? Actually, how's it going on your end? Yeah, PayPal transfers, yep. It's an expense account. Yes. Yeah, so it may be from another account. I'm not sure. Yeah, because she's holding a balance on this account at all times. Like I think right now it's like 30,000 or something. Yeah, 33,000. So maybe money, she may have got too low, so she left money in there. I got deposits here. There. Initially, I was thinking maybe don't add PayPal because I don't like PayPal because of this reason. It just makes it really messy. The problem is if she's holding a balance on there, we need that balance. So it's just better to just upload it and deal with it. But once we get caught up, it won't be that bad. This will have to be done daily though. If not, it'll just get crazy, ridiculous. We won't be able to deal with it. So, and they got deposits. Yeah, so I got transfers here for, what is this? This is October. I do have some matching deposits that are matching to transfers. But I think the majority, because on this account, there's not that many transfers. Like if you look at the PayPal, at the prior transactions that were here before we started adding all this stuff, there wasn't that many. There was maybe 10 or 20. So it tells me that the majority of them are probably coming from monetized. So I need to probably tell her to change the bank account to try to keep everything cleaner so we won't be wasting money. Okay. And then, so I got some transfers. I'm just going to convert them all to, refresh it because it's being stupid. She got 100. Zapier. I'm just going to go ahead and accept that as a software. Do October. I got to get this done as fast as possible because next month I'm going to be busy because of the end of the month stuff. We're going to do. Oh, we got it down to 2,400 right now. Well, that's good. The worst part is going to be trying to reconcile this. That's going to be such a pain. Yeah, don't attach any transfers yet. We're going to come back and do that. We'll do that by month, probably the easiest way to do that. It's just going to be it's going to be really messy. These things right here. Transfer. This, it's already been accepted. 23. So PayPal sales. I think October is done with all the deposits, or all the income transactions. All right, so we got 169. This, okay, Tyler New Media. This is here. Simple texting. Spend $20,000. This would be software, maybe advertising, but I'm not sure yet. Let's see, get the Ubers out of the way. Do that. And the mails will be all travel mails. UPS is going to be shipping. Is that UPS? Oh no, that's not UPS. It's UPS sales. It's going to be. What is UPS sales? I think it's software. I have to do a hellacious audit on this, probably like contractors, contractors. Shoot. Nurse Estates is software. What time are you calling it quits today? Okay. 10:30. Okay. So if that's the case, we got to see here the Meta. I just want to make sure I leave you something to do here. Meta is advertising. All right. I'm going fast. So let's see here. I got 2200 left. Show up. That's going to be software. Usually, if it's going to be like a monthly subscription, it's probably software. It's the same amount of money every time. Sheila Brown, that's probably, it's hard to tell because like some of these are contractors and some of them are affiliates. So I'm not sure which are which. This got 66 left. Sandy Consulting is probably. It's going to be this. Very weird transactions. Okay, this is an affiliate. It says affiliate on there. Do I have an affiliate on this one? Yes, I do. Okay, affiliate. If it says affiliate on the transaction, the memo, just add it there. Entertainment, vice versa. Entertainment. Why aren't these in customers? advertising. Payout. How many you have left? You got to get a new computer, dude. Really? Where is this 2,000 coming from then? Oh, that's weird. That is really weird. You're actually teaching me things about this whole software that I didn't even think about looking for. Like the filters and stuff, like with this, you can filter through fees and stuff. Makes it a lot easier. Especially if you got a job like this, you got to find every little nook and cranny that helps. Affiliate commission, okay. This will be affiliate. We have 44 left for this is a fee. So I missed a fee there. That's kind of weird. This is going to be PayPal. This is going to be PayPal fees. I thought I went through all the refunds and fees, but I missed some for some reason. Other commission. Your affiliate. Some app development. It's just going to be software. may have to Google some of this stuff, find out what it is. Software. I feel like she wasted a lot of money on software. She just got like one payment. Yeah, I'm thinking if it says commission on there, it'll be affiliate expense. So just pay attention to that if you can. Yeah, it'll say commission or it'll say affiliate commission. So those will all be under affiliates. Yeah. But it's a big deal, but I mean the client will see it as a bigger deal than us because we know we can manipulate things very easily. We can change stuff, so it's not a big deal if we need to go back and fix stuff. Because with this many transactions, it's going to happen. There's just too many. What is this? Designers. I don't know what a lot of this stuff is. Athena, lay down. There's these consulting things. What they're for. I might have to get ready to go in a minute. You said 10:30, right? How many transactions you got left? Let me see total here. You may have to do all of these because I got to go to another city. You got 900 left. That's not going to take that long. Let me do this. Let me get you. So we did. I'm gonna start with January because once we get to July, there's like one day, so it's going to be kind of weird that we did. Let's see here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get. Because really, I'm kind of worried about 2024 stuff. So this is January. I'm going to try to get you this. Hopefully, it's not too bad for us. I'm going to send you an Excel file. You're going to have to split it up into. Oh, it doesn't look that bad, actually. How many transactions is this? This may be something you want to invest in here too. This software, it's really good. It's expensive at first, but it's a one-time payment. All right, let's make sure that I'm not subscriptions, bank deposits. Okay. I don't know if I need to convert it. Let's look at the PDF. Let's see. Gotta be careful not to. All right. Oh, this one doesn't have. Oh God. It's breaking it down like that. Okay. Amount. Credit to be a debit. And then you got the credit here. And then you got the amounts. And then this is going to be the memo. So with this, you're going to have to manipulate. Actually, no, that's the payee. All right, let me show you what's going on here with this. Let me do a screen share here if I can find my teams. Screen share, because we're gonna have to manipulate this because it's not gonna do like we need it to. So this is the software I use for converting into CSV files. So you got the fees here. We need those fees, and we also need the gross. So not the amounts, the net. I don't know if it'll allow me to change it to net. No, it won't. So we'll need the gross and the fees. So what you may have to do is you may have to upload it twice on there. And the good thing is it doesn't look like that many transactions. It looks worse on the paper there. See, save as CSV. All right, so I'm gonna send you this here through Teams. And we'll just have to do that. And then you can convert it onto PayPal. Or not PayPal, but the PayPal. Got that. Okay, let me open this up for you here and see what it looks like. All right. So we'll need the memos. Actually, we need the payees, not the memos. We need the payees. We actually need both of them, really, because it tells you the deposit or whatever. Actually, use this one here. It says original payee. Use that one. And we also need the credits and the debits. So you may have to, I don't know if it'll do both at the same time. This one you don't need the amount. Not, well, let's see. No, you don't need that. You don't need that either. So you need this stuff here. Payee. So then you're missing that. God dang it. Because we need the payees. I don't want to have to go back and forth through the thing. Payment refund. Okay. It doesn't tell you both. You need both of these are there. I don't know if it'll let you upload both of them though. It's no problem. How many transactions is this? Oh, that's not that bad. 467. That's not bad. You may have to use this and go back and forth. Have one screen open on the QuickBooks and one screen open on this, so you can see the payee. Because the problem is you need these payments here, the deposit to bank. We need that information, but we also need the payee information. But you may be able to go through here. Actually, it doesn't even tell you approved payer bill user. I don't even know what that means. that a fee? Oh, this is ridiculous. $18.50. Okay, so that is it's a vendor payment. See right there. So you may have to look at the statement as well and just kind of go work your way down. I hate to do that, but we're not going to have a choice because it doesn't tell us the vendor name. Or you can go through the statement and add the payee names here. That may be actually better. I don't know. It's up to you how you want to do that. But it doesn't tell you like all these transactions here. It doesn't tell you what the payee is. These either. It just says bill user. But it'll be on the statement here. So there you go. All right, and let me know if you need help or any questions. I'll have my phone with me. Yeah, so you'll do, am I still sharing or did I lose my sharing? Oh, it's still sharing, okay. So you'll go to import data, do bank data, import, move your CSV file there, which the way they got this thing now is so dumb. Just for example, get it to reset, then do it again. I don't understand why they do that, but they do. And then, yeah, then do PayPal, and then you're going to do the format. It's going to be the first one, and money received, money spent. No, I think it's backwards. And then you'll do, this will be payee. I don't want to add it, but you'll get an example. Payee. And then you got all these transactions here you got to upload. But for some reason, with these, there's no, if there's an issue, it'll have this little thing there. So that means it's just missing the payee. So it may be better to go through the Excel file first and add all the payees that are missing. And what I would do is I would upload that to the SharePoint, save it, make sure it's saved, like exit out and then come back in to make sure, because sometimes CSV files won't save. So you may have to turn it into an Excel and then save it and then turn it back into a CSV file. That's very possible as well, if that makes any sense. And then save it to the SharePoint just in case we need it again, so we don't waste time trying to fix it. So does that make sense? What's going on? Okay. All right. And just do 1 month at a time. Like finish this up first, and then we'll do January. And then when that's done, we'll do, once we're working together, then we can do 2 different months. But it won't be that bad with that if that happens. So yeah. All right. Well, anyways, I got to go. Thank you for your help, and I will talk to you later. All right, bye-bye.